In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an add-on domain in HostGator cPanel. First things first, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your HostGator cPanel account. If you're not familiar with how to do this, just head over to your preferred browser and type in the URL for your cPanel login page. Enter your credentials carefully. Accuracy here is key because it's what will get you to where you need to be. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the cPanel dashboard. At first glance, it might seem overwhelming with so many options available, but don't worry, I'll guide you through what you need to do next. As you navigate through the cPanel interface, look for the section labeled Domains. It's typically midway down the page. In this section, you'll find a feature called Add-on Domains. Think of add-on domains as a way to host multiple domain names, websites that are completely independent of your main site, all from your single cPanel account. Convenient, right? So click on that Add-on Domains icon to proceed. You should now see a few fields that you'll need to fill out. In the first field, you'll need to enter the new domain name you wish to add. This means entering the full address, for instance, newsite.com, ensuring there are no spaces or unnecessary characters. Remember that this domain name should already be registered and not currently added to another account under the same hosting. Following that, you'll see a field for subdomains. This is automatically generated when you enter a domain name, giving it a unique hosting directory within your server. While you can leave this as is, you do have the option to customize it. You might want to do this if you have a specific naming scheme in mind. Next, you'll encounter the document root field. This is essentially where all the files for your new domain will reside. Much like the subdomain field, this one also autofills. However, you have the freedom to change it if there's a certain folder structure you wish to maintain. For most users, the default options in these fields will work perfectly, but customization is always there for those who need it. Once everything looks good and you've thoroughly reviewed the entries, it's time to click the Add Domain button. This action tells the system to create the necessary folders and enable the hosting for your new domain. You'll usually see a confirmation message once the process is complete, indicating your domain has been successfully added. If you have additional domains to add, simply repeat these steps for each one. HostGator makes it easy to manage multiple domains under a single account.